Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking. Look, there's going to be smoking. Look, there's going to be swearing. Look. You've been warned. So look. Here I come at 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you today. Bang! All right, everybody. So, yeah, it's a little early today. It's like 3 in the afternoon. I was like, well, fuck it. I'm just sitting here awake, and I already know what I'm going to talk to you about, so why don't we just do it? All right, so let's get her done. So, look. All right. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink onboards TrustSwap. You know, the usual price feeds and da-da-da-da-da. So we'll get to that. I think it's for a European Union price feed or something like that. Anyway, we'll get to that when we get that. Speaking of the European Union, bang! The European Union digital finance package was released. Now. All right, we'll get there. We'll talk about that when we get there. And then a new U.S. crypto bill, bang, has been proposed, offering a national framework for crypto exchanges in America, and blah, blah. We'll talk about that when we get there. So, and then we do the shout-outs and daily summary. So, boom, let's begin how we begin. Boom, yes. Good news today. Let's see what we got going down around these parts. Oh, CoinMarketCap changed up their format, did they? All right, let's see what we got going down here. Price of Bitcoin. Fuck, I can hardly see this CoinMarketCap. $10,628. It's the price of Bitcoin. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $10,303. So we've gone up $325. Bang! Nice. Very nice. All right, hold on a second. Let's get ready around here. Look. Top 10 today, brothers. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Binance Coin, Chainlink, Crypto.com Coin, and Litecoin. Let's see market moves of the day. Oh, market moves are, pretty green. Oh, look at you, Chainlink, with 14%. Look at how small this, hold on, let me expand this page a little bit. Man, they messed up the page. All right, let's just blow it up a little so everyone can see. All right. So look. So it looks like mostly single digits up. Yeah, so now the thing is right here. The prices, the change. All right. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits. Shit, hold on. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. G theta, rocking. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down too. Single digits up, single digits down. All right. And see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bang. There we go. All right. Top 10 losers. Hyperion, Quant, Digibyte, Loopring, Cybervein, Link, Icon. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Icon, Yearn Finance. Arweave and OMG Network. Let's see who made money today. What? Oh, my bad. Hold on. Pressed the wrong button. All right, there we go. Top 10 gainers. Top 10, Helium, Chainlink, Bitcoin Gold, Theta, Synthetics Network, Solana, Cosmos, Celsius, ABBC Coin, and Hedge Trade. Let's see what the total market cap of the day is, everybody. Total market cap, 336.8. Holy, that's a healthy gain right there. Really? Dang on. All right. Okay, well, is that right? Yeah. Total market cap of the day is $336.8 billion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $323.8 billion. So we've gone up $13 billion. All right, well, let us see. What is the 24-hour volume? Bang. Nice. What? Did I not do the volume yesterday or something? It's not written down on the paper here. Oh, shit. I guess I didn't. Oh, did I forget to do the volume yesterday? How could I do that? Anyways, guys. Well, I don't know what the volume was. I guess I forgot to do it yesterday. Anyways, it's 109.4 today. All right. Fuck. That was stupid. All right. All right. Well, let's. No point crying over spilt milk. Let's move on. Bang! TrustSwap integrates Chainlink price reference feeds. Here it goes. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. My boy, you got a blockchain. You got no data and it's such a pain. You're looking around, you don't know what to do. Well, call Chainlink, boy. And then it's Chainlink to the rescue. Call Chainlink, boy. What you doing, fuckstick? Call Chainlink. Don't you know? You best get your mind right, boy. You best get your mind right. You want data on that chain, boy? Get your mind right. You best call Chainlink, boy. Look. All right. That's how it goes. Oh, yeah. Rednecks get angry when you don't know about some Chainlink. Look here, boy. All right. So let's see. What's going down around these parts around here? So look, Chainlink has entered into another strategic partnership over integration of the platform's Ethereum to USD price data. This time around, TrustSwap will employ Chainlink's Price Oracle to help determine fees for its Smart Lock and Smart Escrow products. This is exciting news for the entire TrustSwap ecosystem. The integration of Chainlink's reliable price reference data will provide TrustSwap users with accurate market prices at all times. TrustSwap has plans to become the go-to platform for smart contract payments and being a foundational layer in the DeFi space. This strategic partnership with Chainlink is a step in the right direction to achieving this goal. Speaking on the announcement, TrustSwap CTO Adam Barlam disclosed the reasons why Chainlink was the platform's Oracle choice. He pointed out that the Oracle platform was trusted and tested. Chainlink, over time, has secured $3 billion worth of assets for major DeFi platforms. Barlam further added that the Ethereum to USD price feed is secured by Sybil-resistant node operators and so is highly decentralized. These nodes harvest price data from autonomous off-chain data aggregators, thus providing reliable and secure coverage. All right, another powerful DeFi combination. So, both TrustSwap and Chainlink are major players in the DeFi space. Together, they make a powerful DeFi combo. TrustSwap, since its mainnet launched about a month ago, has attracted the attention of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. TrustSwap, furthermore, boasts of operating a decentralized and trustless platform. With this in mind, its platform, new utilities, and smart contracts hold a special appeal to members of the crypto space. The DeFi platform also aims to make crypto-based services faster, cheaper, and safer for everyone. Subsequently, the platform aims to increase the pace of global awareness and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Launched as a simple escrow smart contract, TrustSwap has grown into a multifaceted DeFi platform over time. The DeFi platform has worked with many use cases and is now very interested in helping crypto startups to launch new tokens in a way that is fair and transparent. TrustSwap notes that integrating Chainlink's price reference data will provide market aggregate price data. This ensures a strong and security link between conventional markets and the DeFi space. This, in essence, will facilitate the easy spending, trading, and saving of cryptocurrency. Back-end view of the Chainlink integration on TrustSwap. Chainlink's integration on the DeFi platform will be directed at its Smart Lock and Smart Escrow products. I think we read about those before. The price data provided by the oracles will help the products determine fees, which can either be paid in Ethereum or swap. All fees will be determined at a ratio dictated by the Chainlink network. All right. Johan Eid, Chainlink product manager, disclosed that Chainlink is excited about the prospects embedded in the partnership. He added that the network looks forward to providing secure and reliable oracles on the DeFi platform, which allows TrustSwap to provide strong guarantees to their users that they will always pay the fair market price for using Smart Lock and escrow products. Previously, we covered a strategic partnership between Matic Network and the Chainlink Oracle Network. Oh, yeah, we read about that. I think that was fucking yesterday or the day before? The Altcoin Buzz YouTube channel recently covered a partnership announcement between TrustSwap and FalconSwap. All right, so there it is. There it is, another one. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. So that's how it goes. And if you had any doubt, oh, but this could be a scam, the Zeus Capital stuff. Well, there it is. The TrustSwap CEO speaking on the announcement. So, look, Chainlink to the rescue. Another onboarding. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Bang! Let's move on. Now, the European Commission adopts digital finance package for crypto and blockchain. Now, this shit right here. So, this is a big deal, but look, all right. So, first of all, I am not 100% familiar with this thing yet. I literally just found out a couple hours ago, fucking airdropper 007, he fucking WhatsApps me. He's got it. He has the law, like in a book form. Like in it, he has a picture of it. He's got it. Because, airdropper went to the European blockchain convention this week. And so I'm assuming that's where he got it. They gave them out to everyone. And so this is interesting. It's 168 pages, the book. Well, not the book, but the law. And so what I want to say is they're covering a lot of, about digital finance, right? So we still have to see what's in it, and I'm not sure if this is the one we're actually waiting for, because the one we're waiting for is the one that's going to classify what these are, right? So digital finance, that's great. We're going to read about it, but all that stablecoin and stuff like that doesn't help our money, right? You and we're waiting for what is our VeChain? What is our Stellar? What is our IOTAs? What are they? And then investment vehicles being built around that stuff, right? And so, all right. So let me have a sip and then we'll move on. So this isn't that. Obviously, if this was that, I'd be losing my mind right now. So this isn't that, but it's awesome. It's good. Basically, they want to build a sandbox for digital finance by 2022. And then it looks like they want to roll it out by 2024. But that has nothing to do with our money. But it's just big in that, and like I said yesterday, this stablecoin thing. Look, they're all about stablecoins. And so that's the thing. Stablecoins are going to be a major thing, actually. in the future. So let's just move on and I'll show you. The European Commission is moving to provide more legal clarity and certainty for the cryptocurrency industry in its member states. So remember, this is the wannabe money stuff we're talking about. This isn't the VeChain, IOTA, and that. Just regular distributed ledger technology provider. This is the wannabe money stuff. Stable coins, Monero, stuff like that. Dash, stuff like that. On September 24th, the EC, the European Commission, so that's the executive branch of, in other words, it's like the president of America signing a bill into law, okay, has officially signed into law a new digital finance package, including digital finance and retail payment strategies, as well as legislative proposals on crypto assets. Right? So the proposals on the assets, that's what we care about. What do you consider VeChain? What do you consider IOTA? What do you consider Stellars? What do you consider all of these, right? So the EC said that, we just read that. So as part of the new legislative proposals, the EC pays special attention to stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency that pegs value to an external reference like the United States dollar or an algorithm. Specifically, the proposals aim to introduce more stringent requirements for stablecoin issuers in terms of capital, investor rights, and supervision. The text of the proposal reads, therein, the EC aims to require stablecoin issuers to complete authorization by a national competent authority if the outstanding amount of stablecoins is above 5.8 million. So, if you want to issue a stablecoin or anything, you have to, how it's going to be. Hold on, let me read it and then it probably explains it. Hold on. I've read another one, but it was a long one, and I didn't want to read that one, which it goes into super detail. But look, man, let's just keep it simple, and I'll explain it to you what that means. The authority also wants to oblige crypto asset issuers to publish a white paper with mandatory disclosure requirements. Small and medium-sized enterprises will be exempted from the publication of such a white paper, where the total consideration of the offering of crypto assets is less than 1.1 million. If you hear some boing or some crazy sound, that's my trading platform. Sorry about that. It must be refreshing itself. The exclusion makes sure that the requirement. All right, so I should go back up to this part then. So it's going to be a European Union-wide thing, right? And so as long as you're authorized by a competent authority, your stablecoin can go anywhere in Europe. All right. And then this part here was like, well, if your stablecoin is under 1.1 million, what is it, the ICO, I guess, part of it, then you don't have to bother with that. So the exclusion makes sure that the requirements imposed on crypto asset service providers are proportionate to the risk created by the services provided. So they're saying, $1.1 million, that's nothing. So we're not going to make these guys do all that we're going to make like a big offering do. According to the authority, the new measures will be crucial in supporting the EU's economic recovery, as well as unlock new ways of channeling funding to Europe's businesses. By making rules safer and more digital friendly for consumers, the Commission aims to boost responsible innovation in the EU's financial sector, especially for highly innovative digital startups. The package is now subject to consideration by the EC's legislative counterparts, the European Parliament, and the East European Council. And so this is, so this is a proposal. This isn't signed. My bad. This is not signed in yet. What? It just said it adopted it. Oh, they adopted the proposals. Okay. Wait. I don't understand what the fuck they're trying to say here. The package is now subject to consideration. Oh, all right. So I guess what they're saying, the European Commission adopted the proposals, and then it goes to the legislature, the EC legislative counterparts, and European Parliament and the European Council. So I guess they're saying it's not full law yet. All right, so, but, bang! I don't think that's what they're saying. I think they adopted it, man. I think these crypto sites, you see how fucked up they are when they write? They're fucking idiots, man. Right? You get the wrong information. And I'll look around the internet. I'll tell you tomorrow for sure if this thing is like in law or is it a proposal that still needs to be considered. Because remember, we're waiting for what you and I have been waiting for the past few weeks. We're waiting for the big EU law that defines what cryptos are and all that. And so I don't think this is that. Well, I know this isn't that. Anyways, man, let's just move on from here, and I'll keep you updated on it. Let me just look at something. Yeah, there we go. This is the story I'm about to read you right now anyway. All right, well, let's just read it from here then. Congress, bang, America, sees 2 new bills looking to chart the CFTC and SEC regulatory turf for crypto. So, I know I read this. This is good stuff. Basically, I'll just explain it first. They want it so that, well, these bills are going to make, if passed into law, are going to make it so that when a crypto company issues their crypto at first, it's governed by the SEC. And then once that crypto company gets its mainnet online, and here's 007 right here. This is funny. Hold on. Find out if they clarify what these things are. After this, I'm the EU regs. What? Hold on. Yeah, that's 007. That's him right there. Because I asked him, I said, he's got it in his hand, right? He's got the regulations right there. He gave me a shot. He showed me. And he took a picture. And so I asked him, what did I ask him? Let me just do this. I asked him, find out if they clarify what these things are. Oh, and then he says, after this, I'm the EU regs master. You will be the EU regs master. Look. All right. So, okay, so we'll get about the EU regs. Like, we'll let's put that aside right now, and don't worry, we'll sort that all out. I mean, what matters to you and I, though, is all we really give a fuck about from any country is what do you classify these things as, right? My VeChain, my IOTAs, my Stellars, my Singularity Nets, Chainlinks, Cardanos, Trons, all of it. What are they, right? And that's what we really care about, and that's what the beauty of what we read about Nigeria. Was that on Saturday or something? Yeah, Nigeria said, yeah, bang, unless otherwise stated, they're all securities. Nice and easy. And so that's what we need. We need a Nigerian type of clarification of what are these digital assets. Okay? All right. And, okay, and so, sorry, let me finish explaining this thing here. And so how it's going to work is when a company first starts issuing its coin, the SEC is going to be regulating it. And then once they get their mainnet up online and everything, then the CFTC is going to take over. All right, so let's read. So, 2 major crypto bills were introduced in the House of U.S. Representatives on Thursday. One aims to establish which cryptocurrencies are securities. Bang! You see? That's the one we need. What are securities and what else? We need the definition. That's what we need. After the definition, all right, man, we can, look, just build all the investment vehicles and let's go. But the definition is the key, right? It shows who regulates what. And the laws around them, the taxes around them, all the stuff. All right, so one aims to establish which cryptocurrencies, 2 laws coming. One aims to establish which cryptocurrencies are securities, just like a stock. And the other looks to put regulation of exchanges in the hand of the country's commodity regulator. the CFTC. The Securities Bill. The Securities Clarity Act from the office of Representative Tom Emmer. This is the guy, he's been working all year. All crypto stuff. Pretty much every crypto bill we see coming out of Congress, this guy's got his fingers in it somehow. His fingers in the pie. Oh yeah, this guy, he's gunning for it. So the Securities Clarity Act from the office of Representative Tom Emmer, representative for Minnesota, Republican for Minnesota, establishes a new distinction in securities law between an investment contract and an asset sold pursuant to an investment 22 contract, whether tangible or intangible, including an 23 asset in digital form. Wow, guys, I wish I understood. I could explain that to you. All right, so the new bill is basically a direct response to recent controversy over the simple agreement for future tokens framework, under which currencies like EOS were distributed and which caused immense controversy in the case of Telegram. If passed, the act would restrict the Securities and Exchange Commission from pursuing digital assets on the basis of the initial contracts under which they were sold. Okay. And the commodities. So Representative Mike Conaway, Republican from Texas, with support from another of co-signers from the Blockchain Caucus, remember we read about those guys, introduced the Digital Commodity Exchange Act to the Housing Agricultural Committee. Something banging outside. There's a storm going on right now, and it sounds like something's banging against the wall or something. Conway may be less familiar to Cointelegraph's readers than Emmer. Hear that? But his position on the Agricultural Committee is critical. Today's bill would put crypto exchanges under the jurisdiction of the CFTC, which answers to the Agricultural Committee. That registration... Oh, that's what I was going to read you. All right. Don't worry. We'll read that. Hold on. That registration would save exchanges from the patchwork. That's what I've been telling you. Patchwork of state-by-state licensing required of money service provider. Though the new bill would seem to put retail crypto under the same rules as commodities exchanges, it is careful to leave space for the SEC for sales involving a securities offering or transaction associated with a digital commodity pre-sale. Okay, so actually, this was what I was going to read to you. All right, so let's just go back here like this. All right, but this is the actual one. All right, so this. So I just saw that thing because I saw right here on the right. And so I'm going to read this one, but we're not going to read the whole thing because I pretty much just explained it to you, and we kind of just got a little taste of it right there. But what I liked about that was what I liked about this article here that we just read, is they want to, which one of these are fucking securities? That's what we want, the securities part. This is what we care about. Well, I mean, we care about anything. I mean, I don't care, You can call them whatever you want, but just make sure people can come and buy my VeChain and stuff later, But securities would be the best, right? Because they're just stocks. A security is basically a stock. And so, if you want to look at it that way in layman's terms. And so, that's what we want. All right, so this thing, should I really read it all? Or I could just explain it to you, really, because this is long. Okay, so I'll just explain to you. I mean, I've already told you before, here in America, when it comes to the crypto stuff, like Binance is here in America. Yeah, but Binance can only operate in certain states, right? Remember about a couple months ago, I couldn't use Binance here in Florida. Now I can, right? Not that I want to after I've seen what fucking they did to Lorna. I'm not signing up for that shit. Look, I'll take my chances elsewhere. But the point being is these guys want to come up with a national, well, it says right here, there it is, which is what I've told you we need, a national framework, right? So, you just get licensed and you're licensed everywhere, you don't need to hire 50 different law firms, one in each state to to do your, to work, to do what you want, right? So, let me see. Yeah, we don't really have to talk too much. Hold on, let me just look. Right, so it's going to get federal jurisdiction. So, oh yeah, and that's how it works. And this is another thing about it. So, so obviously, when you get this, it avoids you needing, more than 50 licenses in states and territories. Oh yeah, you're behind my head, right? Oh fuck. Look, we're not going to get into all right, let's just do it. Let's just do it so you can see. Oh, you could see that. All right, so you see where it says blah, blah, blah. So, and what else they're going to do is they're going to make it so that even if you're licensed in another, so if you're licensed in a state and you want to keep that licensing, like you want the state licensing rather than being in the federal thing, you're allowed to keep it. You're allowed to do that. But if you keep the state licensing, obviously you're not going to get the same powers as you do, to operate your business. You're not going to get to offer as, the same things and have the same benefits of being federally regulated, right? Yeah. All right. And then the token offerings, this is the thing I told you. The SEC, when you offer the token, the SEC will do it at first. But then once the company gets their mainnet online and they start doing actual stuff, then it's going to be, then their regulatory body will be the CFTC will take over from there. And then here's the law right here. So, all right, fuck all that. We don't need to read every word. I already explained it to you. You get it. I mean, we've been talking about this for a long time. So there you go. Bang, and see what's going on with the brothers. Look. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Let's see with the bang. It says unity. Dang on right. Nothing wrong with a little unity. Bang. What's he saying here? Look, Lorna. What's he making her look about? Oh, the show last night? All right. Bang. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Luke. Robbie Hardaway, led by the receiver, the bang. Robert 007, bang. Peter, led by the receiver, the bang. Benjamin, Biniam really, led by the receiver, the bang. See how Biniam's getting, you see how he puts two? Right, he wants two bangs. Nah, dog, you only get one, man. You're getting greedy. Lorna Downs, love you girl, see you girl. Bang. Rob, look, led by the receiver, the bang. Bitcoin Trade Wars. And he's got a V-chain thing on it, too. All right, led by the receiver, the bang. UP Entertainment, so brother. Led by the receiver, the bang. All right, let's get to this fucking shit real quick. Yeah, nothing really special. I took this trade. I was in it, got in here, and as you can see, so the red lines are price targets. So you can see we hit price target, price bounced. And then, bang, we went down to price target 2, price bounced. I took my money out here, and now we are retracing. So as you can see, this is the trend. You see price, boom, bounces off the trend, boom. And we'll see if we boom and go down further, or maybe we swing into the 4-hour. You can see the 4-hour is starting to curl around. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little retrace up, and then once we get into the 4, bang. It's Thursday today, so I know the chart looks all ugly. That was the trade I did. That was a couple weeks ago. I just haven't taken the Fibonacci's off yet. I know, you sloppy. You're sloppy with your chart, Shomari. I know. But all right, so that's it. That's all I did. But look at everything. Everything just slammed. Look at bang. Like I told you, the British, the New Zealand dollar just got thrashed. Australian dollar just got thrashed. Just slaughter. Look at all this week. Bang. Like, look at this trend. Bang. Look. And it didn't even. Oh. That's how fast. Look at that. Look at this trend right here. bang, look, bang, look, bang, look, burst, bang. So, I mean, the trend is your friend. What's the trend, Shomari? You see these lines? The 30, the 50, the 100. You find that trend, take it down, bang, cash out. Wait for a retrace, get in right there. Bang, cash out. Wait for a retrace, get in right there. Bang, cash out. Wait for a retrace. This was an ugly retrace. But wait for it, somewhere in there, get in. Blue. And look at that monster. This is this week monster. So the trend is your friend. That's how you do it. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get back to crypto. Bang. Let's get back to crypto. It's the end of the week. Fuck it. All right, deep entertainment. So, brother. Bang. All right, what we got here? Oh. What am I doing? Hawk and Samurai. Led by the sea, brother. Bang. Che Paviso and the Paviso Posse. Pascuyaki tribe. Oh, he's gone full V. Look. V-Chain masters, V-Chain hodlers, V-Chain killers. Look, bang. Benjamin, as he's called now. This is what we just read. U.S. crypto exchanges under the national framework, so they're not going to have to, get licensed in every single state. They just get licensed federally, and, well, bang. That's it. And this is what we read as well. The European Commission adopts a digital finance package. And bang. All right. What else we got? Miguel G. Built his account just to follow me. Look. Grace in the multiverse. Love you, Miguel. See you, Miguel. Bye. Well, that's everybody. That's everything. What is it? What's she saying? Come here, money. VET. Oh, this Dave Chappelle. That's hilarious. All right, good enough. All right, that's it. Oh, there's Sloppy. Led by the zebra, the bang. And there's Edwin Ditko and the Ditko family. Family crypto together stays together. Bang. All right, that's everybody right there. Bang. Actually, where's Spy Lady? Let's see if Spy Lady's around. Quickly. All right, we're not going through all those stories. All right, that's good enough. Boom. Let's get back to the bang. Here we are. Look. So we had a great show for you today, guys. All right. So, Chainlink onboards TrustSwap. TrustSwap is going to use Chainlink for those data feed, the oracles, the usual. It's just the usual. It's the usual Chainlink to the rescue. I mean, it's the usual thing, right? So, there's nothing really much more to say about it. I guess TrustSwap seems to be pretty big, though, right? Like, that seems to be one of the bigger sort of DeFi things around or something. You guys know me. I'm not a DeFi master, so I don't really know, but I don't know. They kind of seem big or something. Anyways, Chainlink to the rescue. Yeah. And see how the CEO of the TrustSwap thing said it? So there you go. Is that a fake onboarding? Ain't fake. The guy just said it right there. Bye. All right. And then EU digital finance package released. So, like I said, this isn't the regulation we're specifically waiting for. This is for, more like for their banking and their payments and all that. Like the wannabe money stuff is what this whole thing was. And, so, I mean, which is necessary because obviously that's going to be a thing of the future. Now we see it. The stablecoin thing is going to be here. It's going to be a thing. Just all this stuff is going to be a thing. So it's necessary, but what we are waiting for is the clarification of what these are. Like we read with Nigeria. You have to clarify them. Are these commodities? Are these securities, stocks, currencies, or property, right? Or fucking make something up. I don't know what. Call it something else. But, that's what we're waiting for. You and I, that's what we're waiting for. All this fancy pants, schmancy pants with all the banksters and all this. Well, necessary, but that's not what we're waiting for. And so, but anyways, this is amazing. In other words, come on. It shows you you know, just more proof that digital assets and stuff are being taken super seriously, and they're not going anywhere. And in fact, they're being embraced. And so, I mean, of course, look at what the EU is doing with IOTA, right? IOTA is going to do is going to be working on the supply chain of the mining sector in the European Union, and 95% of their retail transactions. I mean, so they love distributed ledger technology, and that's we're waiting to see. Fine, you love the distributed ledger technology. Now we want to see, well, what are these tokens? And we want them on regulated exchanges, and everyone having a free-for-all, just like the NASDAQ, just like the dot-com bubble days. But, and then finally, new U.S. crypto bill offers a national framework. And so, well, and then I skipped to that other story, which actually, hold on, let's go back. Hold on, let me just take a peek. That was deep shit right there, right? Like they want to define which of these are securities, and that's what we need. That's what we've been waiting for. Well, just what are they? What are they? That's what we need, and that's what this guy, Emmer, man, that motherfucker. Every crypto bill, his name is on it, right? It's always Emmer and someone else, like a bunch of politicians, and Emmer is always in the mix. And so, right, that he's getting it, like, what are they? What are they? And then let's build out from there, man. And so, I mean, it's such a simple part. I mean, these guys are doing all this stuff for the wannabe money part. Well, let's handle the simple part first, the securities part. Get us the securities laws we need, and then handle your money thing and reinvent banking and all this later. But anyways, okay, so let me take this in order. So, securities law, he wants to define. He wants the SEC to finally, or someone anyway, to define what these are. And so that's the first we've heard about that from America. And then the other part was the SEC, and then the other part of this bill would make it so that when a blockchain company issues tokens, the SEC is going to govern the issuance part. And then once the blockchain is in their mainnet and working, boom, it becomes it goes to the CFTC regulatory. CFTC takes over, so it gets handed off to the CFTC. So that was the other part of the thing. I didn't want to read that whole thing just to tell you that. That was like a long shit. So that took me 30 seconds to tell you. So, all right, so that's what that is. So new regs, and what's good about all this is, well, yeah, these motherfuckers are finally at work. We're seeing, good packages coming out and everything. Like I said, here in America, we're in an election year, so, who knows? I could be wrong, and maybe they do vote on something, but I doubt it. And so, but the fact that these are already there, well, when the elections are over, well, they got to get back to work. And so, after November, all right, get back to work, fuckstick. And so, who knows? Maybe these will be passed before the next Congress. But things are on the table. That's what matters, right? Things are on the table. Things are ready to get debated and voted on. And, like I said, this year, I don't see much, but I'm hoping next year, man, could be, fucking serious, launching and signing of full regs, stuff like that, Yeah, so, but these are amazing. And so that's what is amazing about this. Like, in 2018, we didn't hear any words of stuff like that. Actually, not even really last year, right? Don't worry, guys. They're going to regulate it soon, right? But we didn't actually hear of any getting done. And now we're actually hearing, pen has been put to paper. Laws have been written. Proposals have been made. Votes will be taken, and crypto will reign supreme. So, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bye. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So, subscribe here. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth. Greatest show in the multiverse. So look, my name's Shomari Clarke, love to talk money. Bye. Love talking crypto. Bye. It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another fact-filled day of cryptoness. So look, subscribe here, press that little bell. Watch this video here, greatest in the multiverse. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke, and I'm always watching our money, and I am always on duty. Bye. Yes. Over and out.